Okay, let's try it. Can you see me? Peach, please. Yo, this is good. Woo! Now let's get into this peach cobbler lemonade slushy. We can't take a step further without giving a shout out to Grand Baby Cakes by Jocelyn Delk Adams, who dropped this fire recipe just in time for summer. When I tell you it is chilling, it is delicious, it is refreshing, and it's so unique because it literally gives you those traditional soul flavors. I had to try it for myself, and baby, it did not disappoint. This is part 2 of our hot grill series where I'm demonstrating amazing recipes that go great for the cookout. If you know, you know. For this recipe, the ingredients are so simple. You will need 3 large peaches, 3/4 cups to a cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of dark brown sugar. You'll need our Cousin Peach's peach cobbler seasoning. And if you don't have it, I'll give you what you can use to substitute. But my recommendation, go ahead and get the seasoning, honey. Literally, you'll just need a peach syrup of your choosing, but I use the Kool-Aid brand, and water. It is really that easy. Now, of course, for this recipe, I used a slushy machine, but do you need one? No, the recipe is delicious without it being a slushy. And so use what you have. We're going to take our large peaches and we are going to wash them well. These peaches were so juicy. I love peach season here in Georgia. They were plump, they were ripe, and they were so sweet. Literally, as I was peeling the skin off of them, the juice was coming out in my hand, and I was trying to save it for the actual lemonade. Now, for this recipe, you don't have to peel the skin off. You can leave it on if you choose, but I chose to peel the skin off for this recipe. You want to dice it up and cube it into small pieces. Why? Because the smaller they are, the faster they cook. I kept the core of the peaches just so we could extract all of that beautiful peach flavor into our brown sugar simple syrup. After your peaches are prepared, go ahead and add them to a medium saucepan on medium heat with your cup of brown sugar. And here's the star baby, Cousin Peaches. I put about 2 tablespoons of her into the mixture. If you don't have Cousin Peaches, then you can add cinnamon and nutmeg and clove and allspice and a little bit of ginger. I would only use about a teaspoon of each. Or, change it up if you like more one than the other. This is your recipe and you can experiment with it. You want to make sure that everything is bubbling and boiling and incorporating well. After everything comes to a boil, I set my saucepan to the side and I started to juice my lemons. Honey, these were some big boys. You hear me? And they did not disappoint on the juice. I got so much juice out of these lemons. Now, one thing that I didn't do well is keeping the seeds out of the mixture. Now, there's tools for that. So if you have a juicer or something you can use to extract the seeds out of the lemon without it getting in your lemonade, do so. But honey, I was being a little ghetto. What I love about these lemons is that they produce so much juice. Now, if you like your lemonade on the tartar side, you're going to want a cup of fresh lemon juice. If you like it more on the sweeter side, then you want to go with 3/4 cup of lemon juice. You can't go wrong. It's your taste buds. It's what you like. It's what you want to try. And so I'm over here tussling with these lemons, trying to get all the juice out of it. Now that our lemon juice is prepared, it's time to add your peach syrup. Now, if you don't like the artificial taste of peach, then you want to skip this step and add a cup of water instead. If you're like me and like a little peach flavor, you want to go ahead and add a cup of your peach syrup and mix it together well. Now, this one isn't just peach, it is peach mango. But if you want to stick with just a peach syrup, like a daiquiri mixer would go well with this. Now I'm adding my brown sugar and peach simple syrup to my food processor and I'm blending it well. Now, if you have a blender, please use that instead. If you have a NutriBullet, please use that instead. But I'm using what I have at the moment. I actually have a NutriBullet, but for some reason I can't find the top with the blade in it. Honey, my children then got a hold to it and started experimenting with what they could blend up in it, and now I can't find the thing. So I'm using my bootleg food processor instead, and honey, it got the job done well. It was smooth and well blended. Now it's time to bring out the slushy machine. I'm adding my lemon and peach syrup mixture to my slushy machine. This is a Ninja. Also, I press the slushy button and I press the start button. It was literally that easy. And I waited for the temperature to drop to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I just added my brown sugar peach simple syrup. As you can see, it's cooling down, it's getting thicker, and it's almost ready for us to try. Honey, I was so excited to try this because I was just wondering, what is it gonna taste like? And now it's the time that we've all been waiting for. It's time to try. I was so excited. I garnished it with a fresh peach slice, peach candy, and a fresh lemon wedge. It was so good. It wasn't too sweet. It wasn't too spicy. And of course, I dusted her with Cousin Peaches because, honey, other than the peaches, she's the main character. You have to try this for yourself. And when you do, let me know how it turned out. Yum.